Hi there, today I'm going to demonstrate to you the assembly of our lid and high wall box collection. The boxes are variable depths. They come in anywhere from 2 to 4 to 12 inches high, and they have an auto bottom. The auto bottom of the box goes like this. We like to ask that you score the lines on the bottom of the box. It makes it for a nice sharper setup when you do that. Once you put the two large flaps down on the bottom of the box, you simply take the sides with the tabs, you pop them in. That locks the bottom of the box. It gives you a nice flat bottom of the box on the interior so that if you have some weight in your product, it will help to support that as well. These do ship flat, so that's nice savings of space in your stock rooms. The lids are a rigid setup lid style. You simply put that on the box and it gives you a nice rigid setup looking box with the availability of having less space taken in your stock room. So look on our website today and I think you'll enjoy the selection you'll see.